This is Jean with WTI. And my family will always tell me, you're the guy who tries to make it as simple as possible in the kitchen. Yes. And it's not like I don't like to cook, it's just like I like to get in, get out really fast. This is where the Chow Mein teriyaki flavor comes into place. So right now, between my classes, sometimes I just don't have too much time to be cooking. So I just go there, boil water, put this on, put the flavor in, get out. The flavor is good, the taste is awesome. And even if he just wants to spice it up a little bit, I put a little bit of hot sauce or a little thing there, and it just tastes awesome. This noodles, it has like the whole combination of the flavor and the teriyaki beef. It's great. So easy recipes, uncomplicated, like I am in the kitchen. Just pretty much convenient. I can pretty much just do anything anywhere. Just add a little bit of hot water, stir it up, put the flavor in, the seasoning, and I'm good to go. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.